Ladies and gentlemen, it's me, James Sweeney, coming at you from the Modern Wall Street studio. And how about those New York Mets? But we'll get to that in a little bit, because it's nearly 4 o'clock. The markets, they're ready to close. I'm ready to get over to Citi Field for tonight's big game. That's right, I'll be there. And on such a beautiful fall day, let's get the evening started, shall we? Grab yourself a drink and cheers. It's happy hour here in New York City. U.S. stocks, they're trading higher and have been trading in a narrow range this Tuesday afternoon as gains in oil prices continue to clash with poor data out of China. And that's where we'll first begin in China, as Chinese imports plunged by a worse than expected 20.4% in September from 1 year ago. At the same time, exports falling 3.7%, producing a trade surplus of $60.34 billion. But also making a lot of news today is oil, as crude is up about 1% after the IEA, that's the International Energy Agency, reported that global oil demand growth could slow in 2016 to roughly 1.2 million barrels per day from 1.8 million in 2015. In addition, the U.S. dollar a touch lower, U.S. small business confidence rising 0.2% in September, and gold up about $1.30. And when you have all of that combined, you have yourself a session right now where about 3 stocks have fallen for every 2 advancers over at the New York Stock Exchange. Let's now take a look to see how the markets are shaping up to close out this mostly volatile trading session. And for news on the corporate front, check out our earlier ModernWallStreet.com market movers report with our very own Nelda Smits. And with that stated, it's time to talk sports tonight. My hometown of Flushing, Queens, New York, that's going to be the place to be. And yes, I will be there because 24-year-old Steven Matz of Stony Brook, Long Island, which is also where I went to college, by the way, is taking the mound. And he will be looking to take the New York Mets into the NLCS. And you know something? He can and he will do it. The stage is set. A New York child, a New York boy, playing for his childhood team and one of the biggest stages of them all, and against a dominant and award-winning pitcher in LA's Kershaw. No sweat. Tonight, I expect to be dancing and cheering, because I'll put it this way. Put that on my head. Let's go Mets. And at the same time, let's go Matz. And until tomorrow morning, I'm James Sweeney from ModernWallStreet.com, and I should be a happier person.